Hi guys, I'm gonna take a quick look at job site work area. Some of the systems we come up with to use scraps to build. In this case, called tool cabinets. To perform the work that we do on a job site as carpenters. The idea of using scraps is we can leave these behind on a job site. We can throw them away when they get old. They're not super valuable. Help to store tools, give us work area. Help us to work proficiently, do good work safely. I can go over a cut list at some point. I have a spreadsheet for taking piles of scrap and determining, based on how many cabinets we want of certain sizes, how many parts we'll need. But basically it's 10 by 20 sides, 20 by 20 is the bottom and the top of a module, and then a work surface is maybe 24 by 24. It's got 2x4 cleats that are ripped down to 1.5 by 1.5 by 19 3/4 long. The backs, because they pass by, are roughly 21 1/4. We're using 5/8 material. Between cabinets, it's a great spot to store, in this case, clamps or hammer, chisel, pry bar. Drawers, fasteners, drawers for tools. Keep things so we know where to find them. Do our work efficiently. The bottom is a dolly. Casters lagged, and the 2x4 in this case just kind of blocks scab together they had on the job site at the time. They can stack together depending on the kind of work we're doing, how high we need it to be. Put a clamp rack on top for 5-foot clamps, or they can stack together to match a bench, and we'll go over that at some point, how to build a bench. 41 inches for good working height for chop saw or job site plans. Whatever work surface we're putting together, it's nice to have a lip around the edge, in this case about 1.5 inches. For clamping material, clamping a jig, gives the ability all the way around the work surface to be able to clamp something on. Holds our work in place so we can do our work well, safely, do good work. Or if you want to clamp a tool in place, also gives us the ability, basically anywhere around the tool work surface. Clamp down a tool, in this case a belt sander, so we can get right down there and see the work that we're trying to perform. We've got a board that's got a scribe line on it that we're trying to sand to, where we want to really be able to see what we're working on. We don't want to forget safety. We really should have ear mitts on and safety glasses. But the idea here is that we've got a modular tool cabinet setup. We can adjust depending on the type of work we're doing. Something that's not real valuable, not worry about using it, but that adds value to our work and helps us to work safely and proficiently.